In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete folders in Yahoo Mail. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, plus a few tips to avoid removing the wrong thing. Start by heading to yahoo.com in your web browser. If you aren't already signed in, look to the top right of the page and click the sign in button. Enter your account details and complete any verification your account requires. Keep your login information private and make sure you're signing in on the official Yahoo site. Once you're signed in, click the Mail icon in the top right. This opens Yahoo Mail, where we'll manage your folders. Give the inbox a moment to load if your connection is slow or you have a large mailbox. On the left side of the Mail interface, you'll see the sidebar. Scroll down that sidebar until you reach the section labeled Folders. Depending on your screen size and how many folders you have, you might need to scroll a bit further or expand the list if it's collapsed. The Folders section is where all your custom user-created folders live. Next, click on an existing folder that you want to remove. This highlights the folder and shows its emails in the main view, which can be helpful to double-check you're working with the right one. A quick reminder here, default system folders like Inbox, Sent, Drafts, Spam, and Trash cannot be deleted, so make sure you've selected a folder you created yourself. To delete the folder, the quickest option is to right-click its name in the left sidebar. For example, if you have a folder named something like Science Class, right-click directly on that folder name. A small menu will appear right where you clicked. In that menu, look for and select Delete Folder. If a confirmation prompt appears, review it carefully and confirm to proceed. If right-clicking isn't available on your device, there's another way. Click the small drop-down icon or three-dot menu next to the folder's name. That opens the same action menu without using a right-click. From there, choose Delete Folder to remove it. Again, confirm if you're asked. When you delete a folder, Yahoo Mail removes the folder from the sidebar and typically moves the emails it contained to trash. That means you can still recover them for a limited time as long as you haven't emptied trash. If you change your mind right after deleting, check trash to restore messages before they're permanently removed. That's all there is to it. Go to Yahoo, sign in, open Mail, find your folders, select the one you no longer need, and delete it using either the right-click menu or the drop-down menu. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you keep your mailbox tidy and organized.